Sit. Good girl. That's my Macy move. Come here, you can do it.
Unfortunately, it wasn't breaking anything.
I know these aren't our normal treats. Down. Good girl. That's my good girl. You're so smart, Macy. Macy, sit. Good girl. Yay, Macy. Yay, Macy. Oh, Macy. Come on. You want to play? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Come here, Macy. Come here. I know you're so silly. You're so silly. Come here. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Macy.
Maxie!
Come here.
Maxie!
She would not go. She was completely shut down about it all. You're a good girl. Yay, Macy! Yay, Macy! The funniest is watching her run down the hall. Yes, you're so fast.